In this video, we will see how to join a Teams meeting. If you have Teams application installed, open Microsoft Teams. The simplest way to join a meeting is to click on the calendar. Here is a meeting with a join button which shows the meeting is in progress. Click the join button. From here you can turn on your camera, select computer or volume, click join. From here you can mute your mic. From more actions, click on device setting, change the devices. Like you can switch between your devices. I have two speakers, one is headphone and second is speaker. I would prefer headphones. I have three microphones, one is internal, second is external, and microphone with the camera. I would select this one. If you don't have Microsoft Teams, how can you join a Teams meeting? Just follow the steps. Please open web browser and write teams.microsoft.com and online Teams will be opened. Click on calendar here, and this time meeting is in progress. You can join from here. Select allow to let Microsoft Teams use your mic and camera. I will turn off my video and audio will be turned off. Later you can also change. Click join and wait. It says waiting for other people to join. Since there is nobody to join here, it is waiting for people to join.